Hello everyone, this video is a continuation of my last 3 days videos where I am explaining organic chemistry problem. Compound A has molecular formula C6H6O. It gives violet color when we add ferric chloride solution into it. When distilled with zinc dust, it gives hydrocarbon B. Now compound A reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulphuric acid and gives an indicator C. We have to find out A, B and C, and we are going to explain all the reactions. Now let's explore it. In presence of ferric chloride solution, compound A gives violet color. That means it contains phenolic OH. So according to formula, compound A is phenol. When compound A phenol is heated with zinc dust, we get hydrocarbon B. The B is benzene. Now when phenolic compound where the para position contain only hydrogen, there is no substituent, it reacts with phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulphuric acid, we get a indicator phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein indicator is used to detect the presence of base. In presence of base, phenolphthalein indicator changes the color to pink. So that means the final answer is compound A phenol, compound B benzene and compound C phenolphthalein.